The brand new iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's most advanced, most premium device yet. But wait, users around the world are now saying their shiny orange iPhones are turning pink. Yes, the color is literally changing on its own. So what's going on? Is this Apple's biggest design flaw in years, or something deeper happening under the surface? Let's find out. In Apple's latest lineup, the Cosmic Orange or Sunny Orange iPhone 17 Pro was meant to stand out, a bold, premium, luxury color. But only weeks after launch, social media exploded with pictures of these phones turning pinkish or rose gold under sunlight. At first, people thought it was fake or photo-edited, until dozens of users confirmed the same thing was happening to them. Here's the truth. The iPhone 17 Pro doesn't use titanium like the older Pro models. Instead, Apple switched to anodized aluminum, a lightweight metal that gets its color from a chemical dye process. The problem? That color sits only a few microns deep in the metal surface. When it's exposed to UV sunlight, heat, or certain cleaning chemicals, that dye starts to oxidize. The orange pigment fades away, leaving a pinkish tint behind. In simple words, it's not paint peeling off. It's chemistry doing its job a little too well. Apple actually warns users not to use bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or alcohol-based wipes on anodized aluminum surfaces. But many people still clean their phones with regular sanitizing wipes, and that's where things go wrong. Those chemicals react with the metal coating, eating away the outer protective seal, and boom, your orange turns into pink. Now, here's the interesting part. Some experts believe this isn't just sunlight or cleaning. They say a few batches of the Cosmic Orange model had a weak sealing process during manufacturing. That means the protective layer that locks the color inside wasn't fully bonded, making those units far more sensitive to oxidation and fading. And guess what? Apple hasn't officially admitted this issue yet. If you already own a sunny orange iPhone 17 Pro, here's how to keep it safe. Avoid direct sunlight exposure for long hours. Never use chemical cleaners, only a soft, damp cloth. Use a UV protective case, and if your phone is already changing color, contact Apple support immediately. Some users have reportedly received replacement units under warranty. Apple is known for design perfection. Every millimeter, every material is tested to its limit. But sometimes, even the most advanced technology can be defeated by something as simple as the sun. This isn't just a color issue. It's a reminder that innovation always comes with risks.